In this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set up a Airbnb host account. So, first things first, when you are on Airbnb.com, go ahead and click on Airbnb your home, okay? And then you can just go ahead and click on this option right here that says Airbnb setup, okay? Click on this option, and then they will ask you to enter your country code, phone number to go ahead and sign up, or you can also go ahead and continue with Google, which is what I am going to go ahead and do, okay? Now I will choose this as my email right here, and I'll wait for them to sign me in. Now here you can see I'm on airbnb.com/become-a-host. So now we have to basically do a few steps. So we'll have to tell them about my place, basic info, how it looks, how many guests can stay. We have to add a title description. They can help with that part out, but you have to add at least 5 or more photos, and then you can choose a starting price and then go and get started and publish your listing. So now, just want to go ahead and click on get started. It says your progress on the previous step has not been saved. So you can go ahead and exit this. Now it shows your hosting, right? You want to go ahead and click on this option right here under listing. Now we can come here and this says we had started a listing. So what you want to do now, guys, you want to click on this, remove the listing. Okay. We want to go ahead and use this one right here. So I'll click on this listing and then edit this listing itself. I already have a host account. As you can see, I can make listings right now. So I'll have to describe my place. So my place is a house. Go ahead and click on next. And then what type of place your guests will have. So I'll be giving them the entire place. If you want to give them a specific room, you can go ahead and select that. Or maybe a shared room in a hostel. Choose what is applicable. Go ahead and press on next. And then right here, we need to enter the address of my place. So this is my place's address. I'll go ahead and plug that in. And then we'll use this one. And now you can add, if applicable, the apartment suite unit, things like that. And you can go ahead and toggle this on if you want to share your location and give the exact location. But if you're living somewhere remote and you want to list your Airbnb, you can go ahead and put in the address this way. Go ahead and press on next. And now you can go ahead and decide whether or not the pin is in the right place, or you can go ahead and drag the map to reposition the pin. I'll just go ahead and press on next right here since it is in the correct place. Now we have to share some basic information about your place. So this place of mine is basically 2 bed, 2 baths. Okay. And each bed can have 2 people. So 4 guests, 2 bedroom, and we have 2 beds, 2 baths. Okay. Go ahead and press on next. Now we need to make our place stand out. So go ahead and press on next here. And we need to tell the guests what our place has to offer. So we have a Wi-Fi, we have TV, a kitchen, washer, parking is there. It's free. There's air conditioning, also a dedicated workspace. There is a barbecue grill, a hot tub, a pool. So you want to add as many amenities you have, which will help out get your place rentals. Okay. So now we have to add some photos of our house. So I'll go ahead and get these. Okay, so I have a bunch of photos right here. This is about 8 photos. I'll drag all of them here and drop them, or you can go ahead and click right here if you cannot drag and drop. So click on that, go back, and let's drag these photos right here. As you can see, great photos. You want to make sure everything is clear, clean, good quality. Now I can go ahead and upload these to our listing. Now we just need to wait for the upload to be done. As you can see, they're all done. And here, let's wait for this to initialize. you need to choose a cover photo, something that will catch everyone's attention. So I really think something like this, or you want to show your nature, it will really catch the attention. You want to take the indoor into account as well. Honestly, I would say this one should be the cover photo. So I'll click on these three dots and click on make this the cover photo. Honestly, I think this one looks much better. So now I can go ahead and press on next. Right here, we've chosen the cover photo. Now you can give your house a title. You want to make sure you have a keyword. Okay. Okay, so this is perfect. Full house, cozy, modern. Even if you browse Airbnb listings or you're searching for Airbnb, you would search things like cottage, you know, full mansion, things like that. Okay, so go ahead, press on next. And now right here, what we need to do is we need to describe our house. So it is peaceful, it is family friendly, it is stylish, it is unique. Okay, you need to choose up to 2 highlights though, what will actually make the most sense. So we can do it is stylish and it is unique, but it's also, we'll do peaceful. Peaceful and stylish. Okay, it's perfect. Let's go ahead and press on next. And then here we go. They give you a custom description for you, but you can go ahead and edit this if you want. I'll just keep it like this for now. Just go ahead and press on next. Now here you can go ahead and choose booking settings, set up pricing, and then you can publish your listing. So we'll press next right here. So our booking settings is we can either use instant book where we let guests book automatically, or we can basically start by approving our first 5 bookings. Okay, so I'll do this one. And now we can choose who to welcome for our first reservation. So you can do either any Airbnb guest or someone who's actually experienced, who has a good track record on your Airbnb, who can basically offer tips on how for you to be a great host. So I'll do this one. Okay. And then we can set a weekday base price. Now, this is a price we can set. They are asking us to go ahead and do $89 for this area. But according to AirDNA, I should do about $129. So I'll go ahead and do that, and guest price before taxes will be $147. So let's see if I do 187. Let's go ahead and do 89. Okay. Guest price before taxes is 102. I guess after taxes it will be close to 129. So we'll go ahead and do 89. It's okay. And you can also go ahead and view similar listings if you want. Press next right here. And here now we can set a weekend price because you get a premium for Fridays and Saturdays. So you can do a percentage. Usually it is recommended to do about 16%. So go ahead and stick to that. That's perfectly fine with me. Now we will go ahead and press on next, right? And now we can go ahead and add discounts to help our place stand out, to get booked faster, and you can earn your first reviews because this is very important when you're starting off on Airbnb. So we can toggle this one on, a new listing promotion, last minute discount, right? We can toggle these discounts on. And this is the monthly discount if people are staying for more than 28 days, and also a weekly discount as well. So go to press next right here. We keep all these on. And then now they're asking us just do one last step. Do we have any of these? No, we do not. So we're just going to press on next. And now we can go ahead and review our listing. This is the preview. It says $71 a night because of the discount. It's a new listing. You can go ahead and also confirm details. You can set up your calendar and just adjust your settings if you want. But I'll just go ahead and press next and then just save it and exit, right? So let's get started right here. This is the CEO, by the way. So right here, we need to confirm important details before we can start publishing. So let's go ahead and click on start. And you can go ahead and do that to basically verify identity, confirm your phone number, and make sure you meet the local government requirements, and then you'll be able to publish that listing officially. And it's really that easy and simple.